Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a server in MECCHA CHAMELEON. Let's begin by hitting create server. Now enter your player name, enter the server name. Let's say I want to create a testing server. To make sure it isn't taken, I'll go with something like that. After that, if you want to create a private server, enter the password. This will set a password for the server, so only people with the password can enter. Choose the max lobby size. I'll stick with something like 2, for example, or 4, whatever. The important thing is that you remember, if you created a public or private server, if you created a public server, anybody can join. If you created a private server, only people who know the password, and of course they need to search up the private server browser. I recommend to actually select proper tags. So let's say I want to Europe, Germany, with everyone welcome, beginners welcome, and casual fun, and infection main mode. This informs other players that my region is in Europe. For example, I am in Germany, I can be from Sweden, etc. It doesn't matter. And what type of game this actually is. After you simply customize this to your liking, hit create server. This will instantly create a server on your device, and then you can simply go through the friends list and invite your friends, or simply wait up for other people to join. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.